Suarez was given to me. It's not even my real name.
So you give up the search? Why not?
Gray. That's water under the bridge. I survived. I have a life and I've given birth to another life. And he's the focus now.
Miranda, you can't just give up hope, you know.
I haven't. I've just refocused my energies on what is most important, what matters the most right now, and that is my son and my job.
For what it's worth, I'm sorry.
Don't be. What I really want you to know is that I wouldn't want my son to miss out on a relationship with his father. I didn't have a relationship with any parents.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
For what?
For giving me something to live for. My son came at a very important point in my life. Everything made sense after I went married.
What does your training tell you happens when an agent goes deep cover and returns? 70% of the time,
Them sometimes turn out to be double agents. You were off grid completely?
Yeah. At one point I was completely dark.
No link from the agency?
None. Nope.
That's strange.
What's strange?
So the agency didn't have any link to you during that time?
The agency doesn't have every single detail and all the places I go to or have access, Raymond.
Interesting. I thought they had access to all their agents.
Does Mullins have complete access to you all the time, Raymond?
Ah, food is here. No. Dig in and tell me what you think.
Sure.
See? I told you. Yes.
Wow. Excellent. One of the best I've had in a while.
Did you doubt me?
Honestly, a little bit at first.
I always remember the things you like and the way you like them.
I realize.
Hello.
Hey you,
Hey,
is what? You never see my number?
what's up, Agent B?
So why you so formal? Hello, Agent B. Is what? In the office?
No, I know. I just step on the road and deal with something.
Deal with something? This time of the evening?
It's a kind of stakeout.
Oh, okay. So, what the target?
Esperanza.
Are you a watch Tony? Then me not think Pops did I put whisper on that.
Yeah, man. You're telling me to deal with it.
Raymond, make sure you not approach me now. Because I know how you stay, you and your unorthodox ways.
No, man. You have this covered.
Okay, sir.
I go back on the stakeout, you know.
So hold on, you can't watch and talk. No one place you there, look out, sir.
Yeah, man. You see like some movement are going on.
What you there exactly?
Me down on the wharf.
Down a wharf?
Angie, you can't dash out outside, man.
Alright, sorry, me sorry, baby. Alright, go on back out the way I do here. But babe, please me I beg you, be careful.
Yeah, babe. Later.